Hi, I'm Attorney Virginia Hunt. Today we're going to continue our discussion about hearings and appeals in the Nevada Workers' Compensation System. So when you disagree with a decision by a claims adjuster, they send you a form to file a request for hearing. This is where it goes, the hearings division. Be sure you send it here. It must be received within 70 days. So let's go on in and I will show you what the inside of a hearings room looks like and what will take place. This is the waiting room, and this is where the attorneys and the claimants will sit while they're waiting for their cases to be called. So when you come on in, you are going to walk to the front of the room, and usually there are some notepads up here with each of the cases for each of the hearings officers, and you'll find your name and make a check so that the assistant who is checking people in knows that you're here. And then have a seat. There are usually several cases scheduled for the same time. This is what is called a stacked calendar. Normally, one hearing officer may have 5 cases scheduled to go at 9 o'clock, then another 5 at 9:30. So they don't go exactly on time, and you may be sitting and waiting for up to half hour or even an hour sometimes. So listen for when your case is called, and then the assistant here will direct you to one of the numbered courtrooms. All right, so let's take a look inside one of the courtrooms and I'll show you what takes place. This is courtroom number 1, and hearing officer Megan Trenkler, one of our newest hearing officers, here's her cases here. Ms. Trenkler will sit here at the head of the table, and she will conduct the hearing from here. You'll notice that there are no court reporters. So this is not recorded session. This is supposed to be an informal hearing process, the first level of hearings. The claimant and claimant's attorneys, that'd be the injured worker, will come in and have a seat here to the left, and then the attorney for the insurance company or a hearing advocate or adjuster will have a seat to the right. Sometimes they will also participate by telephone. The hearing officer will call the adjuster, who will then speak over the speakerphone so that everybody can hear and we can participate. Also, if the injured worker is unable to make it to the hearing, they can request ahead of time that they give testimony by telephone. The most important thing to remember about this level of hearing is that they are on this stacked calendar, so you only have about 5 to 10 minutes at most to present your case to the hearing officer and convince her or him as to why the decision of the insurance company should be reversed. So don't go into a discussion of everything that has gone wrong on your claim, how you were injured, if that's not the issue. If the only issue, for example, is the percentage of impairment on the rating, then you want to come in prepared with either a second rating evaluation having already been done, or some other medical evidence to show that the first was wrong, and that will be the only issue that the hearing officer decides. The hearing officer does not ordinarily rule at the end of the case. She will tell you that all parties will receive a decision in about 10 days to 2 weeks. And that's it. It goes by very quickly. Thanks. So next we're going to go on down the hall to the appeals division, and that's a whole different ballgame. Come on with us.